Okay, Austin, what did you do today?
I took apart a 2005 Ford Expedition transmission. We took it apart because we had a problem. It locked up. So we wanted to figure out why it locked up. This part popped off, and it locked into over in this area. And it got bent and locked up the motor on first gear, so now it can't go into gear.
Yeah, lock the transmission up.
So basically, the transmission couldn't be driven or used at all. So I took it apart and saw and figured out what happened, and now I know what happened to the problem and what damage the bomb has done to it. We also have shreddings from the engine, the part that's from the transmission. I mean, that came from where it locked in place, and I couldn't believe what it tore up. We already washed up some of the stuff. This is the filters for the oil in the transmission. So that is basically what it did today.